Here are some stunning building demolitions. North Korea recently dealt a blow to international diplomacy by blowing up a joint liaison office building it shared with South Korea. Here's an animated simulation of the event. The office had been designed to foster cooperation between the two Koreas, a goal that literally went up in smoke. Fortunately, thanks to coronavirus restrictions, the building was empty of humans at the time. In 2017, the Georgia Dome was destined never to rise again. Funny story, when a Weather Channel camera tried to get a close-up of the Big Bang, it got some interference from a city bus. Another demolition fail happened in Dallas in February 2020. Some of this building came down, but the elevator shaft and stairwell didn't go down without a fight. It earned the nickname the Leaning Tower of Dallas. A few weeks later, the job was finally finished. Here are some more memorable controlled demolitions. In early 2019, the Tappan Zee Bridge outside of New York City met a watery grave, much to the delight of spectators. And in 2008, the same thing happened to a bridge in Bismarck, North Dakota. And in Pennsylvania as well. In 2010, Texas Stadium, the former home of the Dallas Cowboys, crumbled faster than Brett Favre. In 2007, there was a countdown to tear down for this building in Johannesburg, South Africa. In 2008, a controlled implosion made this building in Louisville, Kentucky, collapse on itself. In 1990, this building came down in Hartford, Connecticut. This glassy fronted construction ceased to be in Dallas. In 1983, the Newhouse Hotel in Salt Lake City checked out of existence, but not before kicking up enormous clouds of dust. Two tower blocks in London came falling down. The area was being redeveloped in advance of the 2012 Olympics. Check out how this large, low-brick building in northeast England bit the dust. This office building in the English city of Birmingham became a memory in moments. A former high-rise in Frankfurt, Germany became a very low-rise in a matter of seconds. And in Scotland, an old apartment building was quickly reduced to rubble by a controlled implosion.
Whoa!
A reminder that what goes up must come down, and sometimes in a heartbeat. This is Inside Edition Digital.